your feed isn't blown up with all AI news like mine is, you might have missed Google's I/O conference that took place yesterday and the better part of today. One of their numerous launches and updates was the update to Gemini 3.5 Flash, which can now create some crazy things. One of those things is being able to translate electrical engineering schematics into interactive simulations. I came across this video, which is basically taking a blinking circuit simulation, or rather schematic, and turning it into a simulation through Canvas, like so, giving the person who's creating this stuff literally step-by-step instructions, both in written and in a simulation. And so it got me thinking, I wonder if we could take floor plans and housing schematics and actually do a similar thing, turn it into a full, almost real-time iterative simulation that shows the progression of the build. And that can be useful for both the clients, people who ultimately will be living in the house or the ADU or whatever it is, in addition to the subcontractors and the vendors, so they know exactly what part they play in the project. I wonder if this is possible just using Gemini and Canva, and what I found out is pretty remarkable. So the first step of this project is I'm actually using this tool called Prompt Cowboy to expand on the actual deliverable, that simulation that I'm hoping to achieve through Google. And you can see it's actually added to this idea quite a bit. You are a residential construction project planner and 3D visualization specialist with deep experience and expertise translating architectural floor plans into sequenced build schedules and animated build simulations. The task is to produce a phased build sequence and 3D animated video production plan for a project I'm creating, the Quanret renovation. And so once it's actually done creating this gigantic prompt, then what I can do is I'll combine this canvas and the actual plans, build schedule, and a simulation. Turn on extended for this because it will probably be pretty intensive. So the idea here is this is hopefully going to build something that not only helps us close the project, but also helps keep our team and our subcontractors in alignment with every phase of the job. So here's the working plan. To get to the next level of detail, I'll need to see the interior floor plans and the structural elevation sheets. I don't believe I have the interior floor plans or the structural elevation sheets. The macro phasing approach does align with what I'm thinking though. Gotta love Whisperflow. Don't really have to type anything anymore. Since we don't have the interior elevation sheets yet, we can't build a photorealistic, architecturally accurate 3D model. However, we don't need to halt the process. We can pivot to a massing model or volume-based animation. If you want to take a stab plugging in standard durations, or should I draft a prelim timeline? So it's going to use SketchUp. I think I saw on here. Since this is a substantial addition combined with an extensive remodel of a large footprint in Park City, built this out to be a realistic 32 to 40 week schedule. Yes, the 7 weeks for framing and 14 weeks for finishes aligns with the subcontractors I'd likely bring in for this caliber of a home. Move this from a working draft to an asset you can use. What's our next move? I don't want the presentation outline. Don't want a targeted pre-con checklist. Let's turn it into a 3D simulation where we can see each phase as milestones using Three.js to generate this conceptual volume of the home in the site, allowing us to click through the 8 milestones we outlined in the timeline, and orbit around the site, and step through the phases. Cool. Sure, week by week breakdown. Basic render, but still pretty cool. Phase 1, site prep and erosion control. Install silt fences, the orange boundary, and establish construction entrance from Creek Road. Demolition and weatherization, removing the existing rear deck, excavation and foundation, framing and dry-in. Again, pretty basic render, but still, that's pretty slick. Set trusses and rafters, tie new roof lines into existing, wrap flash and dry in. It'd be crazy if I could zoom in and then I could see the changes on the interior. Run new lines for extended kitchen, new mechanical room, and 4 season room. So I think the future of this is going to be pretty slick. It's going to be essentially a combination of like a render from Render or Polycam or Pix4D in combination with something like this, where you can so floating around the project, but then I could essentially zoom in and see the interior of the project as well as it's being built. And I can also not just do the phase by phase timeline, but I could maybe run calculations, do measurements, volumetrics, whatever I need directly from here. Insulation and drywall, just can't see that. Finishes and final tie-ins. Exterior siding, masonry work on the addition to match the existing home. Final integration of the old space with the new space. Punch list and closeout. Final walkthrough. So honestly, pretty dang cool that in 5 minutes you can create a full, not photorealistic, but still a full render that matches the timeline of each phase of this project. Pulling data from JobTread or different data sources, the timelines on these phases could be even more accurate, as well as bring in materials, man hours, costs, all of that data. So overall, I'm pretty stoked on this. I think it's a pretty dang cool what you can build in just a few minutes nowadays. And then of course I can make it even more advanced, bringing in or tying in Gemini features directly into it. But we live in a pretty remarkable time. Pretty cool what we'll create tomorrow. Thanks for watching and keep going.